Hi everyone, I'm Francine Venestrad from BS Computer Engineering 17, and today I'll show you how to create a number range checker that lets user input any number from 1 to 50 and then displays how many numbers fall within each range of 10. First, I created an algorithm, a step-by-step plan to guide the program's development. This served as a reference for both the pseudocode and visual flow of the program, which combines arrays, loops, and if statements. Toward the end of the video, I added a personal touch to make the program more engaging. Let us now dive into how the program is made. So first, since we will be only needing number inputs, we will use list because numbers are just a simple sequence, and list allows us to store multiple values in a single ordered collection. Next, we will make a variable named acceptable numbers. This is to set the range of acceptable inputs from the user starting from 1 up to 50 only. After that, we will initialize 5 range counter variables. Range counters are variables that keep track of how many numbers fall within specific ranges. In this program, each counter represents a different range of 10. Let us now go on to our loop. This is to set a condition for the inputted number. If the number inputted falls within the acceptable numbers, the program will continue and will keep asking the user to type a number. If the number is invalid, the program will print an error message and it will break, displaying the results right after the error. To create the calculation of the range counters, we will use for loop and if statements. If the inputted number is greater than or equal to 1, but is less than or equal to 10, the first range counter will be incremented to 1. Similarly, if the number inputted is greater than or equal to 11 but is less than or equal to 20, the second range counter will be incremented to 1. Here, I will just copy and change the numbers as this will go on with other range counters as well. Finally, to be able to display the results, we will print the values of the range counters. Notice that I didn't use formatted string and curly braces here because the range counters are variables, so we can just easily put them inside the parentheses. So let us now check if our code is working well. So the program is working well, but for the program to be more pleasing to the eyes, I want to apply text colors to the results so that we can easily read and distinguish the numbers in each range counters. For this program, I will not be using any module like Colorama. I will just use ANSI codes since this program doesn't need that much of modification. I will explain later why we will be needing the reset color variable. So after defining the variables with their respective color codes, we will now implement the formatted string so we can easily insert values directly to the string using curly braces. Notice how the text after the results is still green? This is because we did not use the reset color variable. Reset color variable ensures that any colored text is reset back to the default terminal color after it is printed. Without using this, text color might continue applying to everything printed afterward, which could make the output harder to read. Now, the results are the only colored text and the program is working well. Thank you for watching.